comfy, plenty of space. I like it. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new camping chair. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out of the nice carrying bag. So this one they do have in different colors. This one's the black one. It should all come already assembled. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, yeah. It's comfy, plenty of space. I like it. Alright, so here's what it looks like. A little more close to it. So you got your little drink holder here. So here's what I thought was cool. So it already comes with a bottle opener there, but check this out. Oh, it's like a little cooler right in here. So if you want to keep them cold, boom, just put that there. Seal this up. Boom, you're good to go. Right down here, you got a spot for some snacks. Cool. Showing you the back of it. Very nice camping chair. All right, and then once you're done using it, just pull this on up. Just like that. Yeah. Just flip that over. Go. There we go. Seal this up. Get your strap and you're good to go. So if you guys are looking for a new outdoor camping chair, definitely get to this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I can get yours. Highly recommend.